A reminder from Chief Medical Officer Dr. Roshan Parasram that the batch of AstraZeneca COVID-19 vaccines which arrived in Trinidad and Tobago on Tuesday are available via the public sector only and are all free of charge. The CMO made the statement during a sitting of the Public Administrations and Appropriation Committee on Wednesday, where the preparedness and response of public authorities to COVID-19 was discussed by key health officials.
We want to aims to ensure that those centers are up to standard to distribute, and not only to distribute, to actually keep a track of what vaccines come to us, how they're distributed on a daily, on a moment-to-moment basis. So we want to keep our controls as tight as we can. So if people are offered the vaccine outside of the public sector, a red flag should go off right away, because the only vaccine for COVID-19 that is given or will be given in Trinidad at this point in time will be through the public sector at those 21 sites.
The CMO said the batch of 33,600 AstraZeneca vaccines will expire on May 31st, 2021. Healthcare workers and persons with non-communicable diseases have been given top priority for inoculation against COVID-19 over the next few weeks.
Healthcare workers, so we continue that away from the front, going complete the front line that we started a month or so ago, and continue into the rest of the healthcare workers as a primary group because of their high level of exposure. And then we move into the persons with NCDs over 60 years of age. So both of them concurrently.
Positive COVID-19 cases continue to rise in Trinidad and Tobago as the total number of active cases now stands at 269. The Ministry of Health reported 22 new positive cases of the virus on Wednesday. The ministry said the number of cases reported reflects the samples taken during the period March 28th to 30th and not the last 24 hours. There are 22 patients in hospital, 6 patients in step-down facilities, and 287 patients in state quarantine facilities. True Value Supermarkets has confirmed that a member of their staff at their Trincity branch has tested positive for COVID-19. Through a public advisory, the management of True Value Supermarkets said the staff member has been quarantined at home and the store was immediately deeply sanitized. All persons who were in contact with the employee have been contacted and asked to self-quarantine at home. The management of True Value said their Trincity store continues to operate without any changes to the opening hours.